Welcome to the tutorial on using the Pro Sheet Kanban Board. The Pro Sheet Kanban Board is a dynamic task management tool that helps you organize, prioritize, and monitor tasks efficiently. When we open the Kanban board, this is the interface we see. This is the home sheet. On the home sheet, you will find a disclaimer regarding the Kanban model developed by the Pro Sheets. There are also buttons for navigating to other sheets of the Kanban board. For example, if I click on the Settings button, it will open the Settings sheet, and if I click on the Instructions button, it will open the Instructions sheet. To return to the Home sheet, simply click on the Home button. Now, let's go to the Settings sheet. The Settings sheet contains predefined variables used in the Kanban board tracker. These variables include task status, which can be set to backlog, in process, ready, not started, or done. Other variables are employee name and priority, with priority levels such as low, medium, and high. These variables can be adjusted according to your requirements, and any changes made in the settings sheet will be automatically updated throughout the task board. Next, let's move to the instructions sheet. The instructions sheet provides the basic guidelines for using the Kanban board and includes some general settings and Microsoft Excel settings to ensure smooth functionality across different versions of Excel. At the end of each sheet, there is a Back to Top button to quickly return to the top of the page. Now, we move to the task board sheet. The task board sheet contains comprehensive information about each task, including the date, task name, employee name, short name, priority, such as high, medium, or low, status, indicating whether the task is not started, in process, ready, or done, progress displayed as a percentage, and a description of the task. Let me demonstrate how to input new data into the sheet. First, enter the date. Then, input the task name, such as game coding. Select the employee name, enter their short name, and set the priority to medium. For the status, select in process and set the progress to 30%. In the description field, you can add details, such as increase speed. Now, let's go to the Kanban board sheet. The Kanban board sheet serves as a dynamic task prioritization tool, helping you organize and manage your workload effectively. Here, we have several sections: backlog in progress, ready, not started, and done. Each section displays the task name, description, date, duration in days, and percentage of completion. The Kanban board also shows the number of tasks in each section. For example, there are 5 tasks marked as done, 9 tasks not started, 1 task ready, 1 task in progress, and 1 task in backlog. By utilizing the Kanban board, you can efficiently manage your tasks, track progress, and ensure that you are always aware of what needs attention. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Pro Sheet Kanban board.